Hey guys, today we're going to do some flush tests, so here we go. This is dribble tests. Let's see how powerful the water pressure is on the flush. Overfilled tank test. I like the long flush. Siphon jet blocked. My 1992 Kohler Highline Lite, it took a long time to drain the tank because all the rim jets were plugged. Let's see how much power it gets on this. Nope. At least it did better than the 1992 Kohler Highline. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.